Now is available at McCarthy Cars Volvo V70 diesel 2011 metallic grey. Car has front headlight washer, front fog lights, 16-inch alloy wheels. It's got roof rails. Car has split folding rear seats. Black velour interior. It's got sides and front airbags. Got 4 headrests. ISOFIX chassis preparation. For electric window, it's got electric mirror, folding mirror. Car has CD, push button to start. AUX connection. DTS system, city safe, rear guard. Air conditioning, got automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders, got multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.